welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while since I uploaded my last video because of what's going on recently around the world with the COVID-19, and I haven't had any much content to film. So what am I doing sitting in my trunk of the car is that I'm gonna work on a few things of this guy right here, and I'll show you in a bit. So let's get him out and I'll show you what we're gonna do today. Okay, so what we have here is, so we're gonna work on a few things of this car behind me today. So mainly restoring back the paint of the wiper, because the wiper blade is pretty much oxidized from sitting up in the sun all day long, and also a few things that I need to address is to touch up a few paints on this car, because a few part of the panels, is rusted out and had a lot of stone chips. It doesn't really look that nice anymore. So I'm just gonna do a few things, okay, to touch up the car. And it's so hot out today, so this condition is not that good. Okay, it's already very oxidized. Look at that. How bad is it? Both of the sides. So first we're gonna have to remove the blades, and we're gonna have to remove the wiper arm, and then we're going to go through the process of sanding it down, painting it, and go a few coats of it. Okay, I thought I wanted to get this part of the visor done as well. Look at it, this is even more oxidized. It looks like it's cracking. Okay, but I don't really have the tools to remove this stuff, so can't really do anything about it. I don't really have the heat gun or the specific tools for that, so I can't do anything. And next thing we're gonna go is the this part over here, because after I lowered it, I didn't take too much attention of it, and the paint started chipping from hitting the wheel, the rim. So paint chipping out, and I need to retouch up it. I got the paint over with me. It's not gonna look nice, but it'll get the job done. Smart of me, didn't take any tools down. Obviously we're gonna need the flat here. And I'm not sure the size of the nut, so we're gonna just take whatever we can. Okay, so now we have the tools, and I guess we can start working on the car right now. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a place, and pulled myself up just now for not being too careful. But that is okay. That is okay. So I have what. It's really hard to film around this area because I don't know why there are still cars and bikes going around when it's supposed to be movement control order. It's like a damn highway out here. But okay, let's go back. So I have that removed, but I have that. No, I didn't have that removed because the reason why that one, I broke the clip. Jeez. Okay. So yeah, so that was a dumb thing. I went too hard and broke the clip, but don't worry. The wiper will still be secure once I put it back in. So yeah, that's okay. So I've already taped this up nicely so that when I paint it, when I spray paint it, I don't get it on the blades. Okay, so it's covered properly. And yeah, so as you can see, so you have that. Let me get some light. Okay, not sure you can see this, but it is so bad. So it's not focusing. Look at that. Minor surface rust, oxidized paint, so rough feeling. So what I'm gonna do is sand it down, both of this. Okay. I have a 400 and a 600. Okay, so I'm not really good into this painting and sanding stuff, so if any one of you guys are watching and think I'm doing any of this wrong, please don't hate me in the comments. Just let me know what's the right way and I'll try to work it on later if I'm working on any other cars. Okay, so it's my first time doing all of this. Okay, I'm not sure how it's gonna go well, so just missing. Okay, so I'm just gonna sand this down and basically prepare it for paint. And once I've sanded it down, I'll just let it be for a moment and then I'll spray paint it. I'm just gonna spray paint it black again. Okay, not sure if I should. I think I'll just sand it down, put some primer coat and then spray it black, a few black coats, and then clear it down. Okay, and we'll try to learn something and work along the way. Work along the way and try to see what we can do about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put you guys down again and I'll get back to you later. Sanded this down. Yeah, they are now smooth. I used the 400 grit, okay, because for me that's fine, okay, smooth enough. Ignore that, okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the car out. I'm gonna park it in another place. I'm gonna bring this to the back. I have my paint and everything ready, so we're gonna get the paint and I'll bring you back there. Okay, spot. Let's go and get the paint, prepare things. Okay, we have everything that we need right now. Previously we didn't have the black paint, and that was my stupid ass problem. Didn't double check because I thought the one we have was a black paint, but unfortunately it was just another clear coat. So we have everything that we need, from the primer, black paint to clear coat. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing this, and yeah. We have the first primer coat on. I'm just letting it dry before we lay the second coat and also the third coat. We're gonna go do a few layers on this and ensure everything is okay. So we're just gonna let it dry and we'll move on with the second coat. So now we are done with the second coat and just letting it off to dry. And once this is done, I think I'll just go ahead and start painting it, and we should be done by today afternoon. First coat of black is done. I'm just gonna let them dry properly, and then most probably I'll just do the second coat, let it dry again, and then finish up with the clear coat. So now how many coats was this? I'm not very sure. The last coat is finally done, so I'm just letting it to dry properly for a couple of hours now, and once that is done, we will go ahead and spray the clear coat, at least 2 coats maybe, and let that dry, and then we'll just fix it back on. Unfortunately, I do not have the time to do other stuff because there's not much time, and it's already almost 1 PM in the afternoon. So maybe we'll try to do that in another video, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so the last and final clear coat has been applied. Okay, so now it's just time to let it dry and cure properly. Okay, so it's not the best job, but it's okay. At least there's no more oxidization on the paint anymore. And once this is all done, go ahead and fix it back and we'll be done with it.